Hello and welcome to Canon Coffee. My name is Sam Canamisher, and I'm going to do a meditation with you today. I've been thinking about um, the need to have courage to do something difficult. Um, I've been needing the courage to do something difficult. It's actually a multi-step process where I have to keep having courage again and again. And so today I was thinking we would focus on nurturing the heart as we um, as we contemplate and desire to do something that we're not sure we have the courage to do. Alright, so I encourage you to find this place of stillness where you won't be bothered. Um, Sit down, someone place comfortable, or lie down, and we'll get started. I invite you to close your eyes and take a couple deep breaths. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Taking breaths that are about 80% full, so really full breaths, but not, the fullest you can take. Inhale. Exhale. And then coming back to normal breathing. Now I just want you to imagine where your heart exists in your body. Feel free to put a hand over it. We often think of for anybody who is concerned about the anatomical correctness of our heart, I think we often think of our solar plexus region as our heart region, because it's a nerve center. And so when I refer to heart, I'm, referring to right here, because that's where we tend to feel a lot. At least that's where I feel a lot. Maybe you don't feel a lot there, but that's where I feel a lot. And just bringing awareness to your heart center. Breathe into it. Breathe into it like it's a glowing ember. Notice it glow as you breathe out. And it glows again with love. Just love your heart center. Feel free to say, I love you. I love you. I want you to be well. I want you to be happy. I want you to experience joy. I want you to be healthy. I want you to be whole. I want you to be safe. Now, maybe just imagine this thing that you need courage for. And imagine bringing that glowing ember of a heart that you have with you to that difficult thing. Your heart goes with you wherever you go. That part of you that you're saying I love you to, that you want to be well. Know it's there as you contemplate next steps. I know that thing that you want the courage to do is really difficult. And as you think about the difficulty, you might feel like that ember in your heart is going out. And it might even disappear in your mind. But it's still there. Your heart is still there. You just lost awareness of it. In this meditation, I'm bringing your awareness to your heart. And so it's the bringing of awareness that we're nurturing. And if your mind has drifted off from this, just gently come back. Welcome back. No problem. Maybe you missed everything I just said. Nurture your heart. I love you. I love you. I want you to be happy. Truly happy. I want you to be healthy and feel well. I want you to be safe and not experience fear. I want you to have joy and experience joy and wholeness and not feel like something is missing. Let that ember in your heart burn, even if it's just a tiny little spark. Let it glow with your breath. Maybe you can barely feel it. Maybe not at all. Just breathe with me gently. It can take several of these meditations, if you're having difficulty connecting with your heart, it can take several of them to start to awaken your heart. I know it has for me. And when I came to metta meditation, I had a deep sense of emptiness. Nurture that little spark. Breathe on it. And coming to the end of the meditation, may you be happy, may you be healthy, may you be safe, may you be at peace. Thank you, everyone. May you be well as you go to think, as you contemplate doing that courageous thing.